What if I told you that your bicycle's black, greasy, gunk-covered chain can be completely restored to smooth, quiet, efficient performance without buying a single chemical degreaser, using items you already have at home? What if the harsh chemical degreasers you've been using are actually accelerating wear on your chain while costing you money unnecessarily? I tested a completely chemical-free method on my neglected, filthy bike chain, and the results left me genuinely amazed. Stay with me, because this will save your bike and your money. The chain nobody wants to touch. You know that moment when you look down at your bicycle chain and feel genuine reluctance to touch it? It's black, sticky, covered in grime, dirt, and old lubricant that's turned into this disgusting paste. You've been riding with this filthy chain for months, maybe years, because cleaning it seems like such a messy, unpleasant task. You've heard that you need special bike degreasers, specific brushes, and complicated processes, so you avoid it. Meanwhile, your chain wears faster, your gears shift poorly, and that grinding sound gets worse over time. Before I reveal this chemical-free chain cleaning method, if your bike chain looks neglected or you've been avoiding this task, hit that like button right now. And if you want effective solutions without toxic chemicals, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Because this works brilliantly, let's get into it. The surprising ingredient: dish soap and hot water. Here's the complete chemical-free method. You need a bucket or container, hot water, regular dish soap, an old toothbrush, and a clean rag. That's it. No special bike products are required. Fill your bucket with hot water, as hot as you can comfortably handle. Add a generous squirt of dish soap, the same kind you use for dishes. Dish soap is specifically engineered to break down oils and grease, which is exactly what's coating your chain. The heat is crucial because it helps loosen hardened, old grease that's bonded to the metal. The cleaning process. If possible, remove your chain, or at minimum, position your bike so you can access the chain easily while pedaling backward with one hand. Dip your old toothbrush into the hot soapy water and scrub directly onto the chain links, working the bristles into every link and gap. The soap immediately starts breaking down the grease, turning it into a soapy, removable paste. Continue scrubbing while slowly rotating the pedals backward, ensuring you clean the entire chain length, not just visible sections. For severely dirty chains like mine was, I dipped the chain partially in the soapy water bucket while scrubbing, allowing prolonged contact with hot soapy water to break down stubborn grime. After thorough scrubbing, wipe the chain with a clean rag, removing the soapy grease mixture. You'll see your rag turning black with removed grime. Repeat the process with fresh hot soapy water if needed for particularly dirty chains. Finally, rinse with clean water and dry completely with a fresh rag, making sure no moisture remains that could cause rust. The lubrication step. After cleaning and complete drying, apply bicycle chain lubricant. This is the one product you do need, but it's not a harsh chemical degreaser. Apply it sparingly to each link. Wipe away excess to prevent attracting new dust and dirt. The results that amazed me. My chain went from black and sticky to clean metallic silver. The transformation was dramatic. When I test rode my bike afterward, shifting was smooth and precise again. The grinding noise was completely gone. My bike felt like a different machine, all from hot water, dish soap, and a toothbrush. Why this works? Dish soap molecules surround oil and grease particles, lifting them away from surfaces. It's the same chemistry that cleans greasy dishes. It works identically on chain grease. Heat increases the soap's effectiveness by loosening hardened grime. This method is gentler than harsh degreasers, which can sometimes strip protective coatings or leave residue that attracts more dirt. So now you can clean your bicycle chain without chemicals. Just hot water, dish soap, toothbrush scrubbing, thorough drying, then proper lubrication. If this just saved you from buying chemical degreasers, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more chemical-free solutions. Share with any cyclist avoiding their dirty chain. Comment if you're trying this today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, clean naturally, ride smoothly, and enjoy a chain that performs like new.